At Standard Fire Safety, we understand that reliable power is critical to keeping your safety systems running at peak performance. That's why we offer a range of rechargeable batteries designed to provide consistent and long-lasting power for your essential fire alarm and life safety devices. Our rechargeable batteries are engineered to deliver optimal performance in even the most demanding environments. From fire alarms to emergency lights, our batteries ensure your systems remain operational when you need them most. Installation is simple and seamless. Our rechargeable batteries are compatible with a wide range of safety devices, ensuring your fire safety systems stay powered and compliant with industry standards. Compared to traditional batteries, our rechargeable options provide longer life cycles and offer substantial savings over time, helping you to protect both your investment and the environment. Trusted by professionals across North, Central, and South America, Standard Fire Safety rechargeable batteries are built with Canadian engineering excellence, offering superior quality and reliability at competitive prices. Experience power you can trust. Choose Standard Fire Safety's rechargeable batteries for all your fire and life safety needs. For more information about this product or any other of our products, please visit our website at standardfs.com.